This Rabbi Schechter wanted to work on papers to get us to go to America, us meaning my brother and I, because we sang. In camp, there was a man by the name of Motel Strigler, who became the redactor, by the way, for the forward. Until about 7, 8 years ago, he passed away. He was a writer, obviously, if you were for the forward, and he wrote songs.
This is in Buchenwald.
This is in Buchenwald. On Sundays, we didn't go to work. Not because they wanted to give us a rest. They wanted to give the guards a rest. So we were in our barracks. And I could sneak out of my barrack. I was in a Russian barrack. And I was able to periodically go to see my brother, check on him, and we'd see each other. And in the barrack that my brother was in, this Motel Strigler was there, and he'd write little vignettes and songs. And my brother and I started to sing those songs. I sang it.
And these were Yiddish songs?
Yiddish songs, yeah. Yiddish songs.
Do you remember any of it?
Well, it's interesting. I remember the one, the Lachen, You Will Laugh, where the song talks of where two young people talk. One is called Avremala, and the other one is called Matala. That's an affectionate for Avraham and Mordechai. Mordechai says, I can't laugh when I think about everybody I've lost and think of the family. And the other one says, in a very happy voice, you will laugh, the time will come, the Sinn wird werfen Strahlen, it will throw rays. Man hört schon die Signalen, we hear the signals already. Sie kommen alle mit Freude, they will all come with happiness. And then he says, well, when I remember now my mother, and she's no longer here, blah, 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 back and forth. Das Lachen, wie kann ich lachen? One says, you will laugh, the other one says, how can I laugh? Because. So we used to sing that song. Oh yes, wir kommen on, wir kommen on. We're coming, we're coming. Oh, there were some Jews in camp who were communists. So Motel Strigler was somewhat influenced by them. And in this song, he says, we're coming on, we're coming mit der rote Fahne, with a red flag. At the time, I was singing and, I was happy. And then one day my mother says, the rote Fahne, the red flag, that's Stalin. That's when I stopped singing it.